Are you tired of crazy diets that promise the world but deliver nothing? Want to lose that belly fat without starving or giving up on flavor? In this video, I'm going to show you 2 delicious salad recipes with zucchini, cucumber, carrot, and other amazing ingredients that'll help you lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way. These salads are super easy to make, perfect for dinner, and packed with nutrients that boost your metabolism and keep you healthy. Curious? Stick with me until the end to find out how to transform your diet and say goodbye to that belly fat without suffering. Oh, and don't forget to turn on subtitles so you don't miss a thing. Let's start by talking about the problem. Who hasn't looked in the mirror and wished they could get rid of that extra belly fat? Restrictive diets are the worst, right? Hard to stick to, they leave you hungry, and worst of all, they often don't work in the long run. But you know what's simple, tasty, and actually works: nutritious salads. They're low in calories, full of fiber to keep you satisfied, and loaded with nutrients that do your body good. With today's recipes, you'll see how easy it is to eat well and lose weight without feeling deprived. Before we dive in, drop a comment. What's the biggest challenge you face when trying to lose weight? A zucchini, egg, and bell pepper salad that's absolutely amazing. Here are the ingredients: 3 to 4 chicken eggs, 2 zucchinis, bell peppers, 300 grams of tomatoes, green onions, salt, olive oil, and for the dressing, 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 15 grams of mustard, and 20 grams of mayonnaise. Ready to make it? First, boil the eggs in water, peel them, and set them aside. Cut the zucchinis into pieces and fry them in a drizzle of olive oil for 3 to 5 minutes. Then, place them on a paper towel to soak up excess oil. This keeps the zucchini crispy and less caloric. Do the same with the bell peppers. Cut and fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Chop the tomatoes and green onions. Now, the dressing: mix the yogurt, mustard, mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt. Combine everything: eggs, zucchini, bell peppers, tomatoes, and green onions, and toss with the dressing. Done. This salad is perfect for dinner. Why is it so great? Zucchini is low in calories and high in fiber, helping with satiety and digestion. Bell peppers bring vitamin C and A, awesome for your immune system and skin. Eggs are a protein and antioxidant powerhouse, perfect for muscles and eye health. Tomatoes and green onions have fiber and nutrients that support gut health. If you love this recipe, give it a like and share it with that friend who needs to lose some weight. Now, the second recipe: a refreshing cucumber, carrot, and peanut salad. The ingredients are cucumbers, carrots, garlic, 30 grams of peanuts, and for the dressing, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 15 milliliters of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of honey, lemon juice, and salt. Let's get to it. Peel the cucumbers with a vegetable peeler. It makes them easier to digest, and cut them into pieces. Let the cucumbers set with lemon juice for 10 minutes to get extra tasty. Grate or thinly slice the carrots and finely chop the garlic. For the dressing, mix the olive oil, rice vinegar, honey, and a pinch of salt. Before combining, squeeze out excess liquid from the veggies so the salad doesn't get watery. Mix the cucumbers, carrots, garlic, and peanuts, add the dressing, and toss well. This salad is light and full of flavor. Cucumbers are super easy to digest. Carrots have beta-carotene that protects your skin and lowers cholesterol. Garlic boosts metabolism, and peanuts bring healthy fats. Extra tip: the lemon juice adds a refreshing touch and aids digestion. Drop a comment. Which of these 2 salads are you trying first? To supercharge your results, here are some simple tips for losing weight the healthy way. First, go for a balanced diet. Include veggies, fruits, lean proteins, healthy fats, and good carbs. Second, control your portions. Using smaller plates helps you eat less without noticing. Third, drink plenty of water all day to flush out toxins and keep your body running smoothly. Fourth, get moving. A walk or light exercise can burn calories. And finally, when hunger strikes, choose healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt instead of calorie-heavy junk food. Small changes like these can transform your health and confidence. We're at the end. With these salads, you can lose belly fat, feel lighter, and full of energy without sacrificing flavor. They're easy, affordable, and perfect for your dinner. It's time to take the first step toward a healthier life. Why not start today? If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss any new recipes. Share it with your friends and drop a comment letting me know which country you're watching from. See you in the next video.